It's on 40 in my right car. Business changed, I like I ain't all this. Getting money, nigga, that my main fault.
So what do you do when it's the middle of the month? Tired of eating chapati ndondo kwa kibanda? Tired of eating sukumawiki and you have just 100 bob? Let me just show you how we are about to budget. This is if you have everything in the house. Karibu sana, my name is Vivian Odhiambo. First up, we're going to Mama Mboga, where we are going to buy vegetables that are worth 20 bob. So the balance so far is going to be 80 shillings. Sawa sawa.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't.
Total amount used is 25 shillings. Let's go to the butchery. Meal of the day is kuma, ugali and nyama. Let's go.
I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through?
So this meat right here costs 65 Kenyan shillings. You can see it's clean, it's nice. So the total amount is 65 plus the previous 25 shillings, that is 90 bob. So we are having a balanced diet on a budget.
Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell.
We have a balance of 10 shillings, so let's grab some bananas. Each cost 5 bob. So everything I bought so far is 100 Kenyan shillings. So let's go cook. See the way I've cooked. My mama taught me well. This is the final meal. It costs a total of 100 bob. So usiangaike, just go to that butchery, don't be shy. Ask for meat here 50 bob. I think where I come from, it's from 50 bob and above. So just ask for that if you're tired of eating ndondo. Sawa. So let me see you on the next one. Love you. I'm just going to leave you with the Friday clip. Bye bye. Mwah.
Matako.